Hello, I hope it's going well with you. So what you're going to need, you're going to need 2 paper clips, a scissor, a bulldog clip if you need to keep it together, and a glue gun. So first of all, I'm going to take my toilet roll and fold the one side for the tail. Okay, so what I'm firstly going to do is I'm going to glue a rather big area at the back of the tail. This is going to be my tail. So I'm just going to press it down for a moment. Is you take the opposite side and you flatten that again. And while I just let this sit for a moment, I just want to show you, this is just a normal paper clip. This was in the inside. Let me just show you. It was like that. So I've just taken the shorter one and I've bent it up. And then I will bend this to this side. So it's an easy way to make yourself some bird feet. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to make a curve. So you can cut off as much as you like. And then you're going to just take one of these pieces that you folded flat, and I'm going to insert it there and glue it down there. So I'm just going to put this on the one side of the mouth and just press down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to go for the one side first, I think, one half. Just be careful that you don't burn yourself. Remember, this glue is hot, especially that tip, and if you do it with your kids, rather you do the gluing and not them. And now I'm just going to glue this part together. So I think I'm just going to stick this down here and transfer it to the body. I think somewhere around there can work just fine. So for now, I'm just going to try and fill up that area first. Let it dry before I go to the next area, just to keep it a little bit more into place. I'm also thinking of making maybe a wing for the bird. So I think so you can just make it a little bit flatter. And I think I'm going to go to about up to that size. Let me just see. Yeah, I think that can look sweet. Okay, sorry for the background noise. They are chopping wood there at the background, so it will be making a lot of noise. I've got the serviette. I think I'm gonna maybe do this one with the serviette, and then so I know I'm not going to be able to put it on very smoothly. I will need to tear it, but I can also crumple it and put it maybe on not so smoothly, because I've got a lot of lines and stuff that I want to actually hide. So I'm thinking of, if I crumple maybe this bottom layer of the serviette and put it on and then put the serviette on, I'm not sure if it's going to work. I guess we will try and see. And then I'm just going to use my Modge podge and a brush and then we will see what we are going to get. Maybe I like the white, I'm not sure. Actually, what works best if you paint this thing white first and then do this on top, because if you put the Modge Podge on, this color is going to come through. So I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but I'm too lazy now to go and get my white, so I'm just going to start. I think I'm going to use this first layer in a little bit of pieces, and then I guess we will see as we go along. So here we go, no turning back. So I'm just gonna use my brush and dab into the wet paint. Maybe I think I will need to go 2 layers, I'm not sure. If you know me, you know I will just go on and just see what. I always don't know what I'm going to do up front, so I just go with the flow and I hope it works. So I will quickly try and dry this, because I want to try and put another layer on, or I want actually to see how it looks when it's dried. So, but I think I will need to put another layer on. Maybe if you're not as lazy as I am, you must first paint it white and then put on your decoupage. I knew it was not going to work, but yeah, I still did it. So I don't know why I do that sometimes. I just make sometimes the life not as easy for myself, but okay. Now I think I'm just going to quickly dry this whole thing and then I will take it from there. Okay, as you can see, this is in a sorry state, so I was lazy, I didn't paint it beforehand, so I will paint it now. So it's not a too big problem, because I already got the texture there, but I guess it really doesn't matter, you know, if you're doing this one, that you put the crumpled paper on top, to just crumple the paper first and then paint it. But maybe it's better and paint it first, I don't know. I'm just going to quickly paint it white and let it dry, and then we will see. I've got this Inca Gold, it's Gilder's paste. I'm just going to take this crumpled effect, I want to use it and I hope it's going to work, and I'm just going to take my gold and put it on my finger and slightly touch the raised areas. If you haven't got this, you can maybe dry brush some gold over it and on a brush. Now you can put on as much as you want. Depends on your preference. Okay, I've decided to make wings for this little bird that I think I'm maybe going to make gold, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to quickly cut out 2 wings and then I will paint them white. And then I will just stick them on top of that. Okay, so I'm just quickly painting them white. And then I'm going to dry them and then I will see what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly dry them. Okay, for now I'm just going to stick this little wings on the sides here. So I'm just going to take my glue gun. Okay, so I've got this 2 little wings now. I think I'm just gonna stick a seed bead on each side for an eye. And then I'm thinking maybe of I've got this gold here, so maybe I must just make, it's got this tiny little opening here because they are so nice. So I'm just going to color in the little beak. I think I'm just going to make it gold. And then I'm thinking of just maybe, I don't know if I must make the wings also a pattern. I will just see. Maybe I must just leave it as is. I actually like it like this. So I think I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would definitely see you again. You must take care and have a lovely day.